In this video, we are going to show you how to download your project from your Emergent AI account. Now, as you can see here, we have created a note-taking app. It is very good. It's very simple and it is operational. Now, it all depends on the prompt that you have. So as you can see here, we have a simple prompt here. And at the very end, I said, provide a downloadable link for me without any extra steps that I need to do. Because sometimes when you say, I want a downloadable link after the project is done, it's going to give you steps, right? So with this, it pretty much did the same thing. If you scroll all the very bottom, code download. To download your app code without extra steps, you have two options. So GitHub export, which is recommended. If you have a paid Emergent subscription, use the save to GitHub feature in an interface for direct repository export. That is the easiest one. Or manual copy access the VS Code view in the Emergent interface to copy the code files. Now, again, these are all only available if you are subscribed to Emergent. If you're using the free, the first 10 points, it's pretty much not going to work, right? It's just the reality of things. Like Emergent is a really good app, AI software, LLM, whatever you want to call it, to develop apps, but at the same time, of course, it's going to cost you a bit, right? So that is how you can download your project. Now, for simpler apps, they might actually give you some links here, but for the most part, you actually need a subscription. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.